I think it's gonna be time soon for me to change my front brake pads. They have started to get mushy. I mean, they have started to lose their biting power. I need to pull harder now.
Yeah, boy.
The damn Aether, man. What the bro? What are you in so hurry about that you almost hit the guy from behind? I know you got a Mercedes, and these people, they only target two-wheelers without helmet, right? Because they don't have power enough to stop the liquor and all that coming in Gujarat, bro. They can't do shit about people drinking and driving. वहाँ पे इनकी नहीं चल पाती है. ये सिर्फ टू व्हीलर्स वालों को, छोटे लोगों को परेशान करेंगे हेलमेट के लिए. आई मीन लॉ अगर लगा ही रहे हो तो सबके लिए इक्वली लगा लो भाई. मैं डिफेंड नहीं कर रहा हूँ कि लोगों को टू व्हीलर्स के लिए चालान मत काटो. काटना तो सबको काटो, बिना सीट बेल्ट का भी काट लो, ब्लैक टेंट का इतना जो घूम रहे लोग उनका भी काटो, लेकिन वहाँ पे इनका नहीं चल पाता है ना. द फक हैपेंड टू दैट कार? वाइड बॉडी और लोअर किट किया है भाई बोलेरो में किसी ने. आई एम जस्ट किडिंग, आई डोंट नो कुछ. आई थिंक द फ्रंट सस्पेंशन गॉट ब्रोकन of that car. That's why it's so much lower. Yup. Be bigger, bro. You don't even have a side light for left, bro. What the fuck? Get it repaired, man. You have a bullet. Treat it like a real bike. I mean, you should treat a Splendor also as a real bike, but just saying. Bro, where are you trying to go? I don't understand. Never mind. I don't know what he's trying to do. I give up. He's lost himself, bro. I mean, just yesterday एक और केस आ चुका है अहमदाबाद में ड्राइविंग रोड का. Another drink and drive case. But this police seems to be sleeping as well, bro. Police doesn't want to do anything about it. No, I mean, I don't expect anything from these politicians. They are busy just looting their country and all, hiding their black money. But I had some expectations from police, which are gone now. The little respect and expectation. Bro, let the ambulance go, please. Let the ambulance go. I mean, let's see if people let the ambulance go or they try to go in first. And obviously they try to go in first. Look at them rushing. Like their time is more important than someone's life. So insensitive people has become now. And look at this other idiot. Yeah, just walk, buddy, walk like it's your road. Give up trying to teach people like this. Why? What triggered it, bro? What triggered it? झूल लेना ऐसा अचानक से रोड पे, जैसे आजू बाजू कुछ है ही नहीं, मैं अकेला हूँ पूरे रोड पे. I need to leave my chain, man. I feel the difference. I feel the difference of the drag and all on my rear tire. So I want to park my bike somewhere over here because I can literally get a second degree burn if I touch my bike, like when I go for lunch.